Let's do an analysis on Unity, ticker symbol U, and today it's August 25th, 2025. This one is looking pretty strong. It recently did have earnings right here. If you look at the E, you can see that there was one gigantic candle that was pushing to the upside, but it ended up closing down lower. Not necessarily bad because it did go down and hold the 20-day moving average, which is around the, well, depending on where you're looking at, around the $34 range. We held support around there. And now this one is looking like it wants to move higher, which is looking pretty good from a technical perspective. If we zoom out into the weekly, again, weekly meaning every candle that you see right here is the equivalent of 1 week. We see that this is coming off of a low essentially, because at one point this thing was trading at $200 and now it's currently at $39. So coming off of a low, right, and looking pretty interesting as of late, but doesn't necessarily mean we're out of the clear yet because we have a lot of overhead supply from all the previous bag holders who held it at 200 and well, now it's all the way down to 39. So overall, it's looking pretty interesting. We could go down. We could see its sales and performance right here. Looks like a little bit of a dip in 2024. We don't have yet 2025 yet. If we look at 2025, we can see that this one is ranging at around 1.78 billion. So not too bad in terms of its size. It doesn't have any EPS yet if we look at the EPS, but overall, that's what we're dealt with. In terms of a multiplier, this one is at 9.46 in terms of price to sales, right? That's currently where we're at. Overall, it's looking pretty interesting. Let's see if this one could be taken higher.